Bitcoin broke $80,000 overnight, then gave it all back, hours before markets faced their biggest test this week. Yesterday's video said chip stocks needed to clear 560 to end the sell-off. They came close, 555, but didn't quite get there. Call still open. We said 80,000 for Bitcoin would confirm the rally had room to 85. It broke through overnight, then fell right back under. Miss a fake out, not a breakout. Tuesday's close, by index, a second straight winning day across the board. The Dow 30 industrial giants rose 0.3%. The S&P 500 gained the same. The Nasdaq, loaded with tech, climbed 0.6. Small companies rose 0.5. Monday, chip stocks tied to Nvidia's hardware crashed on a price hike scare. Tuesday, the same names roared back. AMD and Marvell each jumped near 5%. Memory makers Micron and Western Digital gained 2. Fiber optics maker Lumentum jumped almost 7, the biggest mover. Tuesday's rally traces back to oil. Brent crude fell 4% to $88 a barrel, breaking below a $90 floor. Why? Washington signaled less military risk toward Iran, more economic pressure instead. Markets read that as one less thing to worry about. Today is the week's biggest test. At 8:30 this morning, the government's core inflation report lands, expected near 3.3%. Tonight, after the close, Nvidia reports, Wall Street expects $93 billion in revenue, the year's two biggest numbers, back-to-back. Three names, each for a reason. Nvidia reports tonight, the week's biggest catalyst for chips. Micron rose again Tuesday, 2 sessions now proving Monday's sell-off was overdone. Marvell reports Thursday. Its custom chip revenue decides how many warrant shares Google collects. Bottom line, Tuesday was the mirror image of Monday. A genuine risk-on day, driven by Washington easing off Iran, not a resolved crisis. The same chip and memory stocks that crashed Monday led Tuesday's rebound. Today decides which story wins. Inflation data this morning, Nvidia earnings tonight. For levels for tomorrow's video, oil. A close below $85 a barrel says the sanctions relief keeps building. Back above 90 says Tuesday's drop overshot. The fear gauge, VIX, closed Tuesday at 1545. Above 16 today would say PCE or Nvidia delivered a real surprise. The chip fund, above 560 confirms Monday's sell-off was overdone. Back toward 535 says the price hike worry is real after all. And Bitcoin, 80,000 is now the level to reclaim. A close below 76,000 says the pullback has more room. One more date for the calendar. The Paramount-Warner Brothers Discovery antitrust trial is now set for March of next year, the last major legal deadline in that merger fight. Subscribe for tomorrow's recap. Educational content only, not financial advice.